Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So today, actually, we're gonna go on a daily analysis. Plus, before we go there, actually, I just want us to talk about risk management, right? So what I'm going to say is just to give you some few points, actually, about risk management. I prepared few lines here for you, just to help you. You can go try, maybe write this down, try to understand what's really happening in the market, just so that maybe you're not going to lose much, right? So risk management, or forex risk management, is a process of identifying, assessing, and controlling the threats that arise from foreign exchange speculation, right? It helps mitigate and minimize the material and non-material downside of forex trading, right? Forex risk management comprises individual actions that allow traders to protect against the downside of a trade. So more risk means higher chance of sizable returns, but also a greater chance of significant losses. I hope you already know about that. So therefore, being able to manage the level of risk therefore, being able to manage the level of risk to minimize loss while maximizing gains, it's a key skill for any trader to have. So it's not easy, as we said, but you have to learn this every time. Even if maybe you already made it, or maybe you already know everything about trading, mostly we still have issues where sometimes you're going to lose much, or you lose more than what you were expecting, because sometimes we forget about our risk management, right? So here are some tips for managing risk in forex trading. So the first one, obviously you know this, or if you don't know, now you know. Actually, it's 5 points, right? The first one is use stop loss orders. So if you use a stop loss, mostly you're going to limit the losses. Every time when the market is going against you, you're going to limit those losses. The second one is use limit orders. Limit orders is like, don't just go on the market and say, if maybe you see something like a buy, or maybe say the signal is a buy or a sell, but I'm always already practicing this. What you do is you're just going to say, around this area, because I think is maybe the market is gonna reach this area, I'm going to place my buy pending order. Around this level, I'm going to use sell pending order. So pending orders or limit orders, they help very much, because you don't just execute instantly. So you wait for a certain area, then your order will be triggered, right? The third point is use leverage wisely. I know about this. I used to trade the news, by the way. So the higher the leverage, mostly you can trade with very, very small funds. But at the same time, that can be risky, because now your account, it's like you don't have any protection from leverage. So if the market is going against you, let's say you don't even have the stop losses, the market will just wipe everything in your account because of that leverage, right? So diversify your trades. On this one, they say you can trade maybe 3 things, but remember, those 3 things, they have to differ. Mostly people, they like to use USD, JPY, USD. Sometimes you don't have to include the same pairs on your trade, because mostly they're just going to move in the same way. So you can trade CAD, JPY, Euro, USD, GBP, Euro, GBP. Now you mixed, because you mix different pairs. They are not even like correlating, most of them. So I hope you understand that when they say diversify, right? So the last point is keep an eye on economic indicators. On this one, actually, we're talking about fundamentals, or the news. If you know the news, or fundamentals. So when you trade, actually, this is also part of risk management. You should know that, okay, tomorrow around this time, there is economic event, maybe CPI or NFP or whatever. Then you're going to be safe. Because if you don't know, just imagine you just enter in your sell, your buys, whatever. 3 minutes later, there is news. Then the market just goes up, mostly against you. Then you just lose everything within seconds. I hope this will help you to understand what's really happening in the market, right? So yeah, no. So I think maybe this will help. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.